How commercial cleaning services help your business. Welcome to our FastKlean channel. Check out our videos. You surely find something useful for your day-to-day life. We fold together some of our best household cleaning tips and tricks to help you get a spotless home. Hello again, and welcome to another new cleaning video in our channel FastKlean. We always encourage you to watch every video on this channel till the end to learn more about effective cleaning. Have you ever thought about the perks of hiring professional commercial cleaning services? Hiring a cleaning professional will affect how your business operates, especially your employees. In-house cleaning is viable, but you need to purchase equipment and train cleaners. This option takes time and money. Hiring a professional cleaning company, on the other hand, offers flexibility and efficiency. Perks of hiring commercial cleaning services. Number 1. Increased employee productivity. Don't you like working in a fresh and clean environment? Employees like working in a neat workplace too. Many companies emphasize the importance of employee training, company culture, and other factors that impact productivity. Not many focus on cleanliness and how a pollution-free workplace aids in employee productivity. Poor working conditions greatly diminish the capacity of employees, effectively hampering their performance. A clean working area, on the other hand, allows for better conditions that are conducive to productivity. Number 2. Reduced sick days. With a cleaner workplace, employees are less likely to contract diseases, viruses, germs, or bacteria. Many businesses struggle to contain employee-to-employee viral infection. However, a reliable commercial cleaning company can aid businesses in keeping their workplace clean and free of any harmful bacteria, viruses, and other health-threatening sources. Sick days are reduced if the workplace is kept clean. Number 3. Safer and healthier environment. Any business would have the health of its employees in mind. With that said, a clean workstation can make the difference between a healthy and sickly employee. A professional cleaning company can ensure a healthy and safe working environment for all employees. Experts suggest regular disinfection schedules to clean out all of the nooks and crannies inside the workplace. This includes getting rid of all the dust, dirt, debris, mold, bacteria, and all allergens. Number 4. Professional workplace appearance. A clean workplace is more than just a healthy area to work in. Hiring professional commercial cleaning services improves the appearance of the workplace, making it more engaging. Employees would feel safe and energized working in a clean setting. Visuals are also a key factor in employee productivity. As the workplace gets cleaner, employee productivity levels rise. An increase in productivity, as well as improved visuals, are some of the reasons why you should consider hiring a professional cleaning company. Number 5. Top quality cleaning. One of the main perks of hiring commercial cleaning services is quality. The pros know the best when it comes to cleaning. An experienced cleaning company knows how to handle any kind of commercial office setting and clean it really well. If you need professional cleaning, you may reach us at FastKlean. Number 6. Wide range of cleaning services. A professional cleaning company offers a broad range of cleaning services. If your business has specific cleaning requirements, you should look for a company that can meet all of your demands. There are cleaners that have only a few offerings. However, if you hire us at FastKlean. You can choose from our long list of services. Number 7. Long-term cost savings. Hiring a professional cleaning company like FastKlean will save your business a lot of money in the long run. If you compare in-house cleaning with professional commercial cleaning services, you can easily spot the difference. As for in-house cleaners, you'd need to stock up on supplies and train your employees. This takes time and money to do. However, Hiring commercial cleaning services only takes a fraction of the time and cost. Why don't you consider the help of trained cleaning professionals, the ones that work at FastKlean? Our company can help you deal with all aspects of cleaning. Simply call 0208884949 or visit fastklean.co.uk. Sign up for our masterclasses and learn how to create a toxin-free environment at home or any business premises. Watch our other videos and learn more eco-friendly cleaning tips. Let us know what you think about this video. Don't hesitate to drop a comment below and subscribe to our channel. Feel free to share our videos with other people, including your friends and family, so they'll get to know the best ways to improve their way of living. Thank you for watching. Until next time.